Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sanda Hafda Permana with NPM 233111021 from Information System Class 23A. Here I will discuss public speaking material, and here is the explanation. Mastering public speaking. Introduction. Public speaking is a crucial skill that can help you succeed in both your personal and professional life. Whether you're delivering a presentation at work, giving a speech at a conference, or simply speaking up in meeting, being able to communicate effectively is essential. In this presentation, we will provide you with the tools and techniques you need to master public speaking and deliver engaging and impactful presentation. Next, define your purpose. The first step in creating a successful speech is to define your purpose. Ask yourself, what message do I want to convey? What do I want my audience to take away from this speech? Once you'll have a clear purpose, you can build the rest of your speech around it. And next, structuring your speech. The structure of your speech is crucial to delivering a clear, impactful message. Here are some tips to help you structure your speech effectively. One more, introduction. Start with a strong opening that captures the audience attention and set the tone for the rest of the speech. Introduce yourself and your topic, and provide a brief overview of what you will be covering. 2. Body. The body of your speech shall contain the main content and supporting points of your message. Organize your points are logical and easy to follow order, and use transition to get an audience from one point to the next. Use examples, stories, and other supporting material to illustrate your points and keep the audience engaged. And 3. Conclusion. End your speech with a strong conclusion that summarizes your main points and leave a lasting impression on the audience. Restate your thesis or main message, and provide a call to an action or a memorable closing statement. And next, opening with impact. The opening your speech is crucial in capturing your audience attention and setting the tone for the rest of your presentation. Here are some tips to help your open impact. Number 1, start with a powerful statement and quote that relates to your topic. This will immediately grab your audience attention and show them the relevance of your presentation. 2. Tell a story illustrates the imperfections of your topic. This will engage your audience emotion and make them more invested in what you have to say. And 3. Ask a thought-provoking question that challenge your audience assumption about your topic. This will encourage them to think critically and actively participate in your presentation. Next, body of the speech. The body your speech in where you will present your main ideas and arguments. It is important to keep your audience engaged throughout this section, asking where they will be most likely to lose interest. Number 1. Organize your thoughts. Before you start writing your speech, make sure you have a clear outline of your main points. This will help you stay on track and ensure that your audience can follow your talk process. Number 2. Uses anecdotes and examples. People remember stories better than facts and figures. Use anecdotes and examples to illustrate your points and make them more memorable for your audience. 3. Be conscious. Don't overwhelm your audience with too much information. Stick to your main points and avoid going off and judgment. Number 4. Use visual aids. Visual aids can help keep your audience engaged and make your points more memorable. Use slides, videos, or other visual aids to reach your message. Next, using visual aids. Visual aids can be a powerful tool to help enhance your speech and engage your audience. Here are some tips for using visual aids effectively. 1. Keep it single. Use clear and concise visual that support your message without overwhelming your audience. Number 2. Use high quality visual. Make sure your visuals are high quality and easy to see. Avoid low resolution images or videos that may be blurry or difficult to understand. Number 3. Practice your speech with visual to ensure they flow smoothly and enhance your message beyond time your visual to match in speech. Number 4. Engage your audience. Use your visually to engage your audience and keep them interested. Ask questions, use humor or create interactive elements to make your presentation more engaging. Next, engaging your audience. One of the most important aspects of public speaking is engaging your audience without their attention and interest. Your message will not be effectively communicated. Here are some tips to help you engage your audience. Number 1. Start with a hook. Begin your speech with an attention-grabbing statement or question. This can pique your audience quickly and make them more invested in what you have to say. Number 2. Use storytelling. People love stories, so incorporation personal anecdotes or examples into your speech can help make it more relatable and engaging. Number 3. Use visuals. Visual aids like slides or videos can help break up your speech and keep your audience interested. Just make sure they enhance your message rather than distract from it. Number 4. Encourage interaction. Ask questions or invite comments from your audience to keep them engaged and involved in your speech. This can also help you gauge their understanding and adjust your message accordingly. Next, handling Q&A. Q&A session can be nerve-wracking, but they are also an opportunity to engage with your audience and clarify and misunderstanding. Here are some tips for handling Q&A during and after the speech. During the speech, encourage question throughout your speech by pausing and asking if anyone and any question. Repeat the question before answering it to ensure everyone in the audience hears it. If you don't know the answer, be honest, and offer to follow up later. After the speech, thanks the audience for their question and engagement. If you promise to follow up on question and make sure to answer in a timely manner. Reflect on the question asked and consider how you can incorporate them into future speech or presentation. Next, closing with impact. The closing of your speech in the last impression you make on your audience. It is important to leave them with lasting message that they will remember. Here are some tips closing your speech with impact. Number 1, summarize your main points. Remind your audience of the key takeaway from your speech. This will help reinforce your message and ensure that your audience remember what you said. Number 2, use a memorable quote or story. A well-chosen quote or story can be a powerful way in the end of your speech. It can help reinforce your message and leave a lasting impression on your audience. 3, call to action. End your speech with a call to action. This can be requested for your audience to take a specific action or a challenge for them to think differently about a particular issue. It is a great way to leave your audience feeling empowered and motivated. Next, body language and voice. Body language and voice are crucial elements in effective public speaking. Your body language and convey confidence, engagement, and outwardly where you can help to emphasize key points and maintain your audience attention. Here are some tips for using body language and voice effectively. Body language: maintain good posture, stand up straight, keep your shoulders back, and avoid slouching.